Benin, a small country in West Africa, has a rich culinary tradition that is often overlooked. Its cuisine is a fusion of African, French, and Portuguese influences, resulting in a diverse range of dishes with unique flavors and textures. One of the most popular dishes in Benin is known as poulet dg, which is essentially chicken cooked in tomato sauce and served with fried plantains. It is a hearty and flavorful dish that is loved by locals and visitors alike. Another dish that is commonly found in Benin is akassa, a fermented cornmeal that is often served with fish or meat. Seafood is also a major component of Beninese cuisine, as the country is located on the coast of the Atlantic Ocean. Fresh fish is commonly grilled or stewed and served with a variety of flavorful sauces, including tomato, peanut, and palm oil-based sauces. Beninese cuisine is also known for its use of spices and herbs, including ginger, garlic, and chili peppers. These ingredients are used to add depth and complexity to dishes, as well as to enhance the natural flavors of the fresh produce and meats that are commonly used. One of the most unique aspects of Beninese cuisine is the use of fonio, a small grain that is similar to couscous or quinoa. It is often used as a base for stews and soups, and is considered a staple food in many parts of the country. In addition to its delicious cuisine, Benin also has a strong culinary culture that is deeply rooted in the country's history and traditions. Many dishes are prepared using traditional methods and techniques, including the use of clay pots and open fire cooking. Another important aspect of Beninese cuisine is the role of food in social and cultural gatherings. Sharing a meal with family and friends is a common tradition, and many dishes are often served as part of celebrations and festivals. While Benin's cuisine may not be as well known as some of its West African neighbors, it is a vibrant and flavorful culinary tradition that is worth exploring. From spicy stews to savory grilled seafood, there is something for everyone to enjoy in Beninese cuisine. Popular dishes of Benin cuisine. 1. Pounded yam and egusi soup. This is one of the most popular dishes in Benin cuisine. The yam is pounded until it reaches a smooth consistency, and then served with a soup made from ground egusi seeds, vegetables, and spices. 2. Akara. This is a popular street food in Benin, made from black-eyed peas that are ground into a paste and then fried in oil. The result is a crispy, savory fritter that is often served with a spicy dipping sauce. 3. Jollof rice. While this dish is found throughout West Africa, it is particularly popular in Benin. Jollof rice is a one-pot dish that features rice cooked in a spicy tomato-based sauce, along with vegetables and meat. 4. Kuli kuli. This is another popular snack food in Benin, made from ground peanuts that are mixed with spices and deep-fried until crispy. Kuli kuli is often served with a spicy sauce for dipping. 5. Chicken yassa. This dish originated in neighboring Senegal, but has become popular throughout West Africa.